kids are aware that drugs are bad, and they keep far, far away from them. But did you know that alcohol is a drug too? Did you know that alcohol...
These receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every word between near weather and the area. Existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The forecast for Erie County Lakeshore. Rest of today, partly sunny late this morning, then clearing. Changing areas of smoke. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. West wind 5%. Partly cloudy in the 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday, partly sunny with a chance of showers. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Becoming east in the afternoon. Sunny with a chance of showers like thunderstorms. Friday, highs mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 50%. The forecast for inland Erie County. Rest of today, partly sunny. Changing with areas of smoke. Highs in the lower 70s. Northwest winds around 10 miles per hour. The lower 60s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming west in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday, partly cloudy with a chance of showers. Thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the 50s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
Dual camera. I would like to give a big ol' shout out to my girlfriend for letting me use this beautiful Canon Rebel 17? Something like that. Camera. 60 frames. Great fucking resolution, man. And as per usual, I've been joined today by... Who are you?
Water for WX.
And I'm here too. I'm locked in a storage closet.
Kill issue.
I'm locked in a storage closet. Hi, I'm AC. I'm locked in a storage closet. Please send help.
Okay, goodbye, folks.
VIP pysznej zupie nie ruszam dupy z klopa. Ta zupa była z mlekiem, na mleko mam alergię. Po twojej pysznej zupie nie ruszam dupy z klopa. Ta zupa była z mlekiem, na mleko mam alergię. Po twojej pysznej